Tips and techniques to help you go from chaos to calm. Practice mindfulness. This is one of the top habits you need to learn when it comes to turning daily chaos into calm. Mindfulness can get your mental health back on track. Mindfulness is a concept and a habit. It might be very simple, or it could be very challenging. It needs to be practiced daily to be most effective. Free yourself from clutter. Clutter can start negatively affecting your life in ways you could not imagine. Get rid of those items you do not use. Clutter can cause stress. Staying organized can help you focus. A cluttered space can also lead to anxiety because you feel you don't have control over your home or living space. Consider calling a friend or relative that might help you figure out which items to get rid of. Organize your mind. If your mind is in chaos, then your life will be in chaos. One of the best ways to organize your mind is by breaking down complicated thoughts. Sort through your mind at the end of the day and see if there are any thoughts that are bothersome or stressful. Try breaking them down and seeing what thought is causing the most stress. Break them down into separate bite-sized pieces. This will remove anxieties from thoughts since smaller thoughts are easier to deal with. Reflecting is also a great way to organize your mind. It can let you see what is bothering you. One of the best ways to reflect on your thought is to write them down. Journaling is a great way to vent. Don't stress about things out of your control. You cannot control the future or the past, so it's important to let it go. Another thing you may find yourself constantly focusing on is the way that others think about you and view you. You cannot change the way others think. It can be frustrating to know that someone is misjudging you, but it's a part of life that you cannot control. Try to focus on certain thoughts and make these your priority. Make sure you are only thinking on things that are in your control. Make a daily plan. If you want to lead a calmer and more fulfilling life, you need to have a daily routine that you follow. Make sure to start your days slowly. Wake up with enough time to relax in the morning so that you are not forgetting things and rush off to work. Getting enough sleep is also imperative. It makes your mind calm and helps you clear chaotic thoughts. Another thing to incorporate into your daily life is positive thinking. When the day becomes chaotic and you find yourself having spiraling thoughts, try to get back on track and only think of positive things. Make sure you are ending your day with gratitude. This can be the most important part of your day. The main thing to remember when it comes to your plan is that each plan is different and you need to make the plan that works best for you.